Hello and welcome to the channel. I hope you're having a great start to your day, and whether you're coming by for the first time or you're back for another, I hope you're ready for some more Slime Rancher. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Yeah, there we go. I'll tell you what, something updated. I think it was OBS. And it broke all of my microphone settings. There's actually a lot of settings that go into microphones. And yeah, so it's been like an hour of trying to fix that because I sounded like a toaster. But I think we got it sorted, thank goodness. If I didn't, please let me know, but I will be reviewing that as well. Now, we have a couple things that we are going to try and do today. We now have a jetpack, okay? As you already know. But we have a jetpack, meaning that we can go get those maps that we were not able to reach beforehand. Look at these schmug tanukis. So yeah, that is going to be our big thing, is these maps right here that we don't have. I want to go grab them. I want to try popping the bat Gordo. I want to see what they drop. And see if we can find some more Gordos. As always, we need money, we need resources, so we do have a little bit of multitasking we're going to be doing, but for the most part we're going to try and stay focused here. So that is our goals today, is we're going to go get those maps, and we're going to try and find as many resources as we can to upgrade our equipment. Now, there's a lot of places we can explore now with the jetpack too. So, if we can remember, because I think there's some even here in the starting area. So let's try and keep an eye out for any of that. I can't remember. Did over there have? I think over there did have that. A spot where we needed a jetpack. So let's go ahead and make that one of our first stops. Oh, hi. Would you care for Chim Kim and not me? I know I look edible, but I promise I'm not. Please be nice. Thank you. Yes, we can be friends. Friends. We like being friends. Yeah. Okay, so this is where we needed to go. That's a button. Oh, what does that do? The button was lighting up. I have no idea what that did. This looks like an unfinished area. Shoot. Can you go over there for me? Thank you. I wonder. Well, I have no idea what that does, so we're gonna go ahead and go explore somewhere else. But we now know that there is a glowing pressure plate over here, which maybe that'll be useful eventually, who knows. You know, we are going to be dropping by a market resource thing, so let's just grab these quartz while we're at it. Oh wow, look at all this brine, yeah. Kinda nice not having to have specific equipment out there like the drills and all that. You do that. Yeah, I can just vacuum it. Let's go. Ah. Yeah, we are gonna... We are going to meander in a focused manner, if that makes sense. Hello. Okay. There's a market link. It is always a joy to come back to this cute little universe. And man, that soundtrack. Ah. Okay, I know exactly where the map is. over here. Let's go after... Oh my gosh, we keep finding... too much jellystone. That's definitely not a problem. We'll for sure need that. My little goblin instincts to collect everything I possibly can is taking over, though. I want to say that was all. Okay, one more time we're going to drop this off because inventory management is just such a thing. You know, I almost wish my computer was slower so we could enjoy those loading screens a bit longer. Oh, we needed a hunter, didn't we? Man, why is my computer having a stroke? Hold on, let me go grab that hunter plort, and then I'm also going to mess with some programs really quick. Alright, we haven't made it all the way back yet, but I missed you guys. It's only been like half a second for you guys, but I've been working on tech stuff for a second. But we have that sorted more or less. Again, I hope. I'm looking at you. But yeah. Just admiring the sunset. Watch the sunset with me. And listen to me rant maybe a little bit. You know, I always worry with uploading weekly videos that, you know, honestly I can't really keep up with how fast games come out anymore. I mean, we finished up Ghostwire how long ago, and it's been out for a hot second now. And kind of the same thing with like Cult of the Lamb, and you know, there's always just some hot new game that's coming out. I got lucky and got a beta key for the Darktide beta happening this weekend. I am pumped for that. But yeah, point standing, it was just, there's never enough time for all the games coming out, you know? Because on one hand I was almost like, oh shoot, you know, I need to go quicker. But no, that's the point of us doing all this, right? Like, we wanna take our time and enjoy these things and just really take it in for what it is. I mean, we're playing Slime Rancher. There's no time crunch, there's no time limits. It's just nice, chill, comfy vibes. And that's the important part. So sure, there's other people that have probably played the game absolutely to death, right? But that's not really what I care about, you know? I just care about getting to share... Oh my god. Hello? Why does this area just, like, kick my buns? Okay, maybe it's that teleport. Are you? Ah! The lag! The lag waves! Okay. We're not allowed to look at the teleporter. Everything else is fine. But yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of other people that have probably seen every single nook and cranny of this game. And, you know, yeah. If you wanted to see that, you probably already did. But if you're here now, you know, just kind of chilling, going through it, and enjoying my experience of it. I'm sure there's tons of things that I do wrong and you guys want to smack me over the head with. And that's fine too, honestly. I appreciate you guys being here. And yeah, I'm just gonna make sure that we go through this nice and chill like, and there's no need to rush. I just want to have fun. Isn't that right, Ringtail? Oh, you're so cute. Okay, I know that map is like around here. I think it's past the aggressive ones in here. Yeah. Hey, at least the tars are gonna eat all those angry guys. Kind of sad, but... yeah. There it is. Yeah, and here's this. Ah, bless. Okay. We have got... Ah! Don't look at it. Don't look at it, chat. It'll steal your soul. Ooh. What's that? Oh, I've been forgetting to vacuum the beehives. Whoops. There we go. Yes. We got the map for like a good half of it. A wonderful start. I wonder what's over there. Let's go check it out. Hello. What is this area? It's very cute. There's some resources. Right, my guess for this is they haven't finished terraforming it, or this is something that they're modeling kind of outside the map and they're going to put it back in somewhere else. Those are my qualified spooky guesses. Oh, that's very bouncy sounding. Ah. There's some bees up there. Ooh, I know the lava area has a lot that we needed a jetpack for as well. Got some buzzwax. Wonderful. Speaking of, you know, all those filters I was fiddling with, you guys might not have guessed this, but I'm actually, I'm pretty soft-spoken in real life. And so, it's kind of difficult working with one of the filters that does the noise limiting. Because the overlap between the sound of me pressing my spacebar and the volume of my voice is actually about the same. So if I crank that up too high, it pretty much makes it so you can't hear my voice anymore. And yeah, that doesn't work super good for trying to record things, believe it or not. So, if you've ever wondered why, you can, and that's definitely on my list of equipment that I'm upgrading, because a much younger Spooky spilled a lot of beverages on this keyboard, so I think part of the loudness comes from the slight stickiness that comes with it. It's not like gross super sticky, but it's like sticky inside of it, you know what I mean? Yeah. I won't say that's not my fault, but I will say that, I will say that Roswell keyboards are extremely resilient in the waterproof department. And that is, that's very nice, especially for, clumsier people. Because, like, I'll usually just have a drink. Like, I have 4 drinks right now sitting by my keyboard. I've told you before, having lots of different beverages to pick from is just very nice. But yeah, I have like 4 drinks sitting next to my keyboard right now. And, oh, this is neat. Where am I? Anytime I'm like reaching across my keyboard or anything like that, you know, I'll just be like, and then I'll just smack it over with my hand. Hence the unfortunate stickiness. You know, I think there's another map around here somewhere, but I don't entirely know where. I didn't even know all of this was up here. This is really neat. Ooh, look at these hunter cotton. These guys are so cute. But the not angry ones are cute. Please don't hurt me. Wow. Getting that jetpack, just like the map just opened up to us, you know? Wow, what is... Oh my gosh, what are those? What kind of Largo is that? Or Gordo. That's a Gordo, right? Yeah, what kind of... Ooh. Radianite. Okay, Radiant Ore. Yeah, Radianite would have sounded pretty cool. I don't know. Maybe just me. Ooh. Okay, we're coming back to that Gordo, I promise. I'm just curious. That's a very permanent go downwards, so we'll hold off on that for a second. Kind of sounded like the music was overlapping for a second. That, like, confused my brain. This is a very big gate thing. Ooh, what is that? What is that? Can I go through here? Wowee. Okay, this is very sparkly in here. Hi. A flutter Gordo. Are there butterflies down here? I thought those were phosphors. That is freaking adorable. A moondew nectar. I wonder if that's the food that they like. That is probably going to be a pain in the butt to track down. Very cool though. Man, just the colors. All the colors here. So pretty. Okay. So the sea's made out of slime, right? Is this also made out of slime, or is this actually water? Like, when you vacuum up water to shoot at slimes and stuff, and like what's dripping on our face right now, is that... Are those slimes? Is it sentient? Do we bathe in sentient water? Because, oh, look at them. You guys are adorable. That really has me thinking, because... Yeah. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Look at this little man. Oh, you're so cute. It looks like a teleporter too. I need to explode you. You show up on my map now, right? Perfect. Look at that. Look at that face. That is a unit right there. Okay. Where in the world is the map for this place though? Okay, I saw a big hole. There are some intrusive thoughts here that say that there's ground down there. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ooh, an angler Gordo. We need to find so much food. Oh my gosh. All right, all right. We got some more decor items. What is that? Ah. Honey. Oh, whoa. That honey phosphor is like very shiny. Why do you look like that? Is that really what those look like? Wild. Sir, can you stop traumatizing people? Thank you. Hello. Okay, I vaguely... Have we been here? I don't... Maybe. Maybe. No, I have no idea where we are. Wow, that is really unhelpful, actually. Oh, never mind. Don't mind me. Just bad at using... geysers. Okay, we're back in the tree trunk part. Oh, there's some... Ooh, another hole. Hey, an upgrade for the dash boots. The moon dew. Okay, but what's in this hole? Okay, yeah. Locked shortcut. Where are we? Where are we? Now we're back. Hey, a map! See, that all worked out in the end. If you run around wildly long enough, eventually it'll sort itself out. I know we're very focused on our objectives, but I forgot what those objectives are. I think we collected resources, okay, we're doing that one. Whoa. Man, come on. We're doing that. And if anybody knows how to calibrate the leap motion to work a little better, it will give you my 7th born child. With the disclaimer that I'm not required to have that 7th child. That way I don't actually have to... I mean, don't listen to this part, okay? Yeah, 7th born child. No cap. Alright, let's take all of these delicious resources back, and we'll go check out... We need to gather so much food for all these GORDOS now. Yeah, let's go put these away real quick. And then I think we should go check out the lava area. We can always hoard food for those guys later. Although I do actually want to work on the back Gordo while we're there. That is one. Hi. Oh, aren't you guys cute? Yeah, that's one that I want to knock out while we're there. So we can get a full inventory of Pogo. I'd like to. Oh. Well, at least everyone was not here to eat these fruit. Because they're being assimilated. Yeah, come with me. There's dangerous people around here, Slime. You'll be safe. Just hide like right here. You're welcome. Wow, I'm good at balancing you on my head. Down here. Oh, there actually is something down here. Thank you, cat. Trees, huh? Don't. That's an edge. That you stay like right here. Stay. Stay. Alright, to the lava area. There are some maps to obtain. Hey, wait, I need those. Okay. Is there any left over here? Most of them went bad, darn it. Why are there just tars everywhere? Oh my gosh. We really need our water backpack, huh? Bye, goodbye. Don't hurt me. We are almost full on Pogo fruit, so that's one objective we're almost done knocking out. Ooh, right, there's resources over... Yeah. That's gotta be primordial oil. Yeah, there we go. Prehistoric? That is very old. The surpassed prehistoric. Alright, I think our bat friend is this way, right? No, I'm going completely the opposite direction. That's okay. This is one of the lava areas, I think. Do I? There, seriously, more tar? Oh my gosh. Ah. You know, you would think the bat was actually here, but... Whoa, we just like boosted up here. How did I mean, I'm not complaining. We got the map. How in the world? Hey, there's a little outcropping over there. I want to go check that out. Hi. Pomegranate. That's fun. Pomegranates are delicious. Ooh, is that a tabby? Hi, Tabby Gordo. What are you doing all the way out here, my little dude? Huh. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to read. More primordial oil. Ooh, secret. What is it? Hey, a warpy bow. I don't know what I'd ever use that for, but it'll probably eventually be useful. What? Okay, here we go. Almost. Ascend! Nailed it. Oh yeah, I think the slime bats really like the... Oh my gosh, another Gordo. Hello? They went crazy on these. Wait, why are you not showing up on my map? Yeah, the tabby didn't either. Hold on a second. Okay, I recall somebody saying that you gotta feed them. It's a fruit. Yeah, it's a fruit. Hold on, I'll be back with like a carrot or something. I have a carrot. Dang it. Here's a carrot. No, I picked up chickens. Usually that's fine, but not today. Yeah, that's so weird though, because the ones in the other area were totally fine. You guys saw that. Alright, well now he's showing up. Got those. I feel like I dropped something. The chickens! Ooh, a water slime. I don't have a spot to put those guys yet, but their plorts are very important for science. Okay, where did that tabby go? Oh yeah, that was like back up there-ish. Can I get back up there? I like that you can stand on their heads. Thank you, my dude. Yeah, we gotta go this way. Because knowing me, if I don't get these guys marked on the map, I will completely forget they exist. There you go. Yeah. I forgot who told me that, but whoever did, thank you. I love the slime bats, they're adorable. That was a little close. Okay. We haven't found the map for that area with the bat slime. Oh, that's all the lava area. It's in there. It looks like if we go back this way and drop down. Is that the other area over there? Oh, interesting. Oh, there's a bunch of these little guys here. That is actually really good to know. Right. Okay. We be learning things. Alright, that's a bit of a jump. I think I can make it there, though. If we're really careful, yeah, we can glide fall that way. Normally I just jump down, but it's a little bitey down there right now. Yeah, now we're back to the aggressive area. We needed 10 boom plorts. I think... Did I say that? Maybe? I'm remembering that I need 10 boom plorts, though. Hi! I don't have meat. I do have fruit, actually. Wait, but this is for the... Oh shoot. Ow. Oh my gosh, that was half my health bar. Please stop murdering me. Oh, can I get up there? Man, you guys are scary. Okay. Alright. They're gonna, ow. Jump at me. No, they're gonna explode at me. Ah. Ow. Okay, we got the ore. We got the ore. Ooh. That doesn't look like the same thing, is it? No, that's lava dust. Shoot, I can't carry that. I'll be back for that. Yeah, now we're up here. Oh. Oh my gosh, wait. Where's that? Where's that? I hear that. I hear it. I hear it. Oh, it's a lucky. Crap. Oh, sorry, I can't feed you. Wow, it's very dangerous in here as well. Nuts. I hope we still have enough fruit. I kind of panicked right there. Oh, there's some... Oh, go for it. I saw that there was a boom gordo over there, but if it's not going to mark it, then we'll just have to come back for it. Because I am out of inventory space. Tall magma clump. Because who does not need that in their life? I feel like I'm running circles around this bat. Oh, we got trees. Oh, okay, I'm coming down. I think we can get back to the bat if we fly. No, that just takes us in a circle. The bat was like in a cave system-y thing. I actually really want to get over there though. That looks like... Hey, the map! Jimkin. Map. Perfect, okay. Hey, that clears that up. Let's go pop the bat. In a loving way, of course. That is also how I would like to go, is stuffed to the brim with food, so much that I split into tiny tanukis. Wait, I'm at the butt side. I have to... Oh my gosh, that guy's big butt is in the way. Alright, gotta go all the way around. I wonder what lava bees give you. Probably interesting. Other end of that cave up here. Please don't eat me too much. I suppose a little nibble is okay, but not too much more than that. That's a weird intrusive thought. I was sitting there thinking, you know, it'd actually be, I guess in this universe specifically, it'd be pretty handy to have like something that grows on you that things can eat and don't grow back, you know? That way you can feed things and they stop getting mad. But, that's kind of weird. Here you go, my baddie friend. Eat up. You are very round, and you are not full. I don't really know what to do with that. Does food even grow in here? I think everything in here is just very hungry and angry. Let's go find some more fruit really quick, I guess. I at least want to get that shortcut opened up, you know? Ooh, pomegranates. Oh, there's this too. Perfect. A stalagmite. Nice. Yeah, let's go find a couple more pomegranates or something of the sort, and we'll be back. This does not look promising. I mean, a bunch of radiant ore, now that we don't really need it quite as much. No. Okay, I don't want to get too far away here. Maybe 4 is enough? Because I don't know, they looked pretty ready to burst. Like, maybe. Wow, this room is kind of horrible. Alright, can you eat these for me and possibly move? Ah, there we go, with 1 to spare. Hi guys. I don't really need you. But I did need that shortcut opened, so thank you all. Oh yeah, let's see what that is. Really, it's just buzzwax. Okay, I found a lot of buzzwax, so I'm gonna set that down here. I wanna come back for it. But more importantly, I wanna catch that Gordo, because it looks like he's in front of something kind of important. Hey, a bug. A medium palm. Not to be confused with a small palm. I've got a whole room behind you. What's in there? What are your secrets, Boom Gordo? Right. We will need to amass a large amount of chickens for that boom gordo. But, unfortunately, I think we're going to have to do that next time, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get these resources back to base, probably check on our little dudes, and we'll finish things up there. So, see you in a second. Through the magic of editing, we are here nearly instantly. Welcome back to the conservatory. Oh my gosh. How long have we been gone? I didn't think we were gone this long. That is a lot of lettuce. Oh my gosh, some of it even went bad. Have we really been gone this long? I really didn't feel like it, but I guess we must have. I'm glad nobody rioted and stayed in their houses. Oh, that goes to 100. Okay. You can see the blue on the blue. See, there's not nearly as many pogo fruit on the... Never mind, what the... Guys, were we really gone that long? It looks like we have forsaken our homestead here. Oh my gosh, you guys were probably very upset with me. Rightly so. They are much more patient than my cat. My cat will inform me very harshly that we have forgotten mealtime. Oh, those poofy tails. You just gotta love them. There is nothing quite as satisfying as snuggling with a tanuki tail. And thankfully, I always have one with me. Nap time is any time. Alright. Let's take care of our poor neglected hens here. I'm sorry, stop rioting. Alright, for the sake of slime science, let's go ahead and take... we'll do a full backpack of all of these resources just for, you know, good measure. Or I guess these guys don't have that much yet. But yeah, let's take that down for slime science. That's kind of funny, the shooting sound can't really keep up with the item sound. That's entertaining. Alright. Oh my gosh! You guys poop so much, holy smokes, cotton florets. I suppose the tanukis are going to be kind of slow producers, because the only food that they probably love is... whatever hunters love. What do hunters like? Yeah, their favorite is roostros. That's you? Yeah, a lot of the time I'll cut this part out because it's like, it's just boring doing chores, but you know, it does really mean a ton that you guys take time out of your day to come watch these. Especially, you know, with how long these are, and you know, you don't always have to make it all the way through them. I don't expect that of you, but thank you for taking the time to hang out. It's nice to just be able to share some time together. And through the coolness of the internet, that can be across time itself, honestly. Because I'm doing this today, but heck, you might be watching this months later. Who knows? That's cool. Just, you and I sharing this moment. Man, the shooting sounds, that makes me chuckle, but yeah, thanks for being here. And yeah, just thanks for your support. It's a lot of fun to do this, and you know, it's kind of crazy. I'm 10 months into this channel, you know, it's felt like longer and not nearly long enough at the same time, you know what I mean? Pretty wild. So, let's see if we can get any upgrades really quick here. We can get the heart module. That'll definitely be nice so we're not getting absolutely destroyed. Ooh, I would really like that. Ooh. That is also... Okay. I'm seeing a couple things that we definitely want to be going for next time here. Yeah. But, let's see. I think we might have enough money to buy an expansion. And which one do you think we should get first? It looks like a fire one, a dry reef one, whatever that area, or a cave one. Do they all have the same amount of land? Yeah, it looks like each one has 5 plots. I want to see the cave one. Let's do the cave one. Yeah, hand it over. The den. Perfect. Just like mine. We have just bought the official Tanuki Den. Wow, this place is nice. Yeah, look at that. We got some mushies. We've got some strange croaking noises. Those are kind of weird. Oh. Pretty deep brine is cool. Maybe these will eventually go to other areas. That would be awesome. Yeah, now we can bring home a lot more friends. What's over here? Who's out here? Alright. Looks like there's a lot of nothing. That's okay. Yeah, mushy stuff out of the way. Thanks for joining me, guys. Take care of yourself, make sure you're staying hydrated, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!